If you're still suffering because of your past, it's not because you're weak. It's because nobody ever told you the real truth. Your past doesn't control you. Your mind does. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to break free. Let's start. 1. You don't heal by forgetting. Most people think healing means stop thinking about it. But that's not healing. That's suppression. And suppression doesn't erase pain, it stores it. In your body, in your nervous system, in your reactions. That's why some people look fine on the outside but explode over small things, because their past is still alive inside them. Healing doesn't mean you forget what happened. Healing means you stop taking your pain out on people who didn't cause it. And the moment you accept that, you stop fighting yourself. 2. Your past isn't holding you back, your identity is. Here's the harsh truth. Your past has no power unless you keep using it as an identity. I'm broken, I have trauma, I've been through a lot. This is just who I am. And listen, I'm not saying your pain isn't real. I'm saying if you keep introducing yourself to life as a wounded person, life will treat you like one. Because your identity shapes your behavior, and your behavior shapes your results. Your past is an event, not a personality. And the day you stop identifying with what happened is the day your future finally opens up. 3. Closure is a myth. People say, I just need closure. No, you don't. Closure is what keeps people stuck for years because you're waiting for an apology, waiting for a conversation, waiting for someone to finally understand. But some people will never admit what they did. Some people will never care. And if your healing depends on someone else changing, you will stay trapped forever. The truth is, closure isn't given. Closure is taken. You don't need their permission to move on. You need your own decision. 4. Your body is still stuck in the past. This is what nobody talks about. Sometimes your past isn't in your mind, it's in your body. Your body learned to stay alert, to expect danger, to expect rejection. So now you overthink, you avoid risks, you sabotage relationships, not because you're weak, but because your nervous system still thinks you're back there. And science proves this. Your brain can rewire through repetition. Healing isn't just mindset, it's training your body to feel safe again, because your future starts when your body stops expecting the past. 5. You overcome the past by building something bigger. Here's the final truth, and this is the one that separates victims from winners. You don't overcome your past by analyzing it forever. You overcome your past by building a future so strong that the past becomes irrelevant. A stronger body, a sharper mind, a better routine, a new mission. Because purpose is the ultimate therapy. When you have goals, your pain has less room to speak. When you're growing, you stop replaying. And eventually, you wake up one day and realize it still happened, but it doesn't control you anymore. Your past may be part of your story, but it's not your identity. You're not here to stay the same person forever. You're here to evolve. So stop revisiting what broke you and start building what will save you. Because time doesn't heal you. What you do with time does. If this hit you, comment "I'm moving on" and subscribe, because your future needs you focused, not stuck.